here! Now! Hurry!
Dodoria. Zarbon, show me your power.
Yes, sir.
Another change in history, is it? Those two will have a hard time getting away with both Dodoria and Zarbon after them. You'll just have to help them out. Go do what you have to.
Solar flare! My eyes! My eyes!
Thought you could get away, huh?
Who are you? Are you here to help us out? Krillin! Stay back, Gohan! Have to make it, kid, and get away from here!
Dodoria, go after the rubs. I can take care of this myself.
Right! Listen, your job isn't taking that guy down. It's helping Krillin and Gohan escape. If you do enough damage, I'm sure Krillin will see his own. Hold close to the mountain. Watch carefully and time your escape.
Yeah!
Now!
What? What a monster! You've reached a level any sane would dream of!
It looks like Gohan has gotten away from Dodoria. So, in the end, history will continue as normal. Shouldn't you be coming back home?
You may be a time patroller, but you'll never survive my boundless fury!
Who in the universe?
Who's taking him back in? Slug. He's just like
Aren't Egyptians supposed to be our allies? Why do I feel such a
Slug. He's no ordinary mimic. He's much more. You're with a heart full of malice.
That's just a small taste of my power!
I'm on my way to your location. Hang in there just a little longer.
Please hurry, Trunks. This is all wrong somehow.
That's enough!
Huh, lucky you! What? a monster! You've reached a level any Saiyan would dream of!
Dodoria's power level is rising. History will be altered if we don't act. It's where the teacher joins in.
Stop mocking me! Blasted it! After knifing my cheetah, when it brought reinforcements! Satan that runs too! You're teaming up with these Earthlings!
What would Earthlings be doing here? Did you hit your head or something?
None of that matters anyway! Destroy both of you right now!
Go ahead. What's the matter? I know you've got more than that!
Lord Frieza!
Frieza is afraid of Saiyan potential. My potential. But who was that anyway?